Patrick at Pals, and I just had to take a minute and just show you folks this Airstream. You know, the Sprinter van has revolutionized the light van industry. Take a look at this. It's narrow enough that you can park it almost anywhere. You can get into almost anything. Now, you still have to be careful of the height, but it's not like the old G20s and Econolines where they had to cut the top off and then graft a fiberglass top to it. This van comes from the factory that height. Now that gives you all kinds of possibilities of what you can do inside of it without cutting it up. It's got all of the accoutrements for camping. It's got dual wheels in the back for stability, and the track width is narrow so that you can get around and into places that you couldn't get into with, for instance, a G30 or a G20 with a camper on the back. The camper is built into this vehicle. There's good room inside, and it's a wonderful way to travel. You know, vans have come a long, long way from where they used to be. Inside is a typical Mercedes, beautiful interior. If you've got a Sprinter, bring it to Pals. See you soon.